Hello, let's do Netflix Starstruck for February 10th. We'll do the easy and the hard. The easy is called Square Chain. All right, so the point of this game is to place a star in every row, every column, and every colored region, such that no two stars touch each other. So, for example, these two, if we put a star in both of these, they would touch each other. So we can't do that. So this orange region and this red region both have only one place for a star, so we must place it there. And that reduces both yellow and green to one place for a star, reduces orange to one place, brown. This light blue actually only has one place, and that gives us the gray and the dark blue here. All right, cool. That's definitely what I would call a plonker. If you're fast enough, you can do that in like 10, maybe even less seconds. Now we're going to do the hard. It's called candle. All right, so we have some formations that automatically X some stuff. So this touches all of gray, this touches all of light blue. The other thing I'm noticing about these two is that they use the bottom two rows. So if I were to section off here, just draw a red line here, below the red line, I'm expecting exactly two stars because I need a star for each row. There's two rows. But I'm also expecting to have exactly one star in blue and exactly one star in gray. And they're going to have to give, their star is going to exist below the red line because it doesn't peak up above. And so those are going to be the two stars, meaning that the rest of this red below that line cannot be a star. Let's see. What's our next? Okay, so now, oh, and sorry, I need to be very careful that red can be here or here. I can't treat it like a two-star thing. Oh, sorry, not the yellow either. I don't know how I missed that. Let's see. So I'm not seeing like good groupings to do here. Well, okay, I am seeing something actually. This is probably what I was trying to see before, and then I corrected myself, but I overcorrected. So left of this red line, we're gonna have three stars because it's three columns. Now, I'm definitely gonna get a star from this light blue, but I still need two more stars, which means I need two different colors to put stars in. And I only have two more colors, the red and the dark blue. So I'm gonna need to put a star in the red, and I'm gonna need to put a star somewhere in the light in the dark blue, meaning that the rest of dark blue and the rest of red can't be a star. All right. And actually, I could have seen that this gray and green lined up, and that would have also gotten rid of these reds, which also gets rid of all those because they're going to use the two right columns. Now, orange has to use this column. Brown is down to these three, and actually this and this see all of brown, either through the row or by touching. So those cannot be in. This is down to three now, and so this touches all of orange, so it can't be in. Now we're down to this L shape, which would eliminate from here if we needed to. All right, what's next? All right, I've got three rows here that I can cordon off here. Three rows, three stars. One of them will be in red, one of them will be in yellow, one of them will be in orange, because that's all that's left in those regions. They can't leave that area. And so the rest of the cells in that area are not a star. Oh, these two now do line up. I wanted to line them up earlier, so those are all out. Let's see. So this dark blue just has these three left. Okay, so now if we talk about the top three rows, there's going to be three stars. We're definitely going to get one from this dark blue. We're definitely going to get one from brown, and we're definitely going to get, and the third one has to come from green. So that means green can't escape the bottom three. It needs to not be placed there. All right. There's other ways to find that, like these three. I think I just forgot to X that out. Anyway, what am I missing here? Always the question to ask. Seems to be the only question I ever ask. What am I missing? Okay. This row's down to two places. Does that help me at all? The only way, okay, so the only way this guy's in, if you think, we can think about it the other way, is if this guy's in, we have to place the star here because it touches these two. It puts a star on one of these two, but that doesn't seem to matter. It puts a star here and here. This might be the solution. I'm not entirely sure. It puts a star here and here and here and here. Yeah, so that's our solution. So the way I came across that is just looking at a really powerful spot to put a star because I saw that it placed this one. I didn't see, but should have seen that it also places the yellow. And if you follow that to fruition, you just place all the stars. We know there's only one solution. So that's our solution. But I like to prove that logically. I don't like to just go, oh, let's place those stars. But if you want to, you can just finish the puzzle right here and place those stars. But we're going to find some reason that it can't be elsewhere. So I'm thinking about, since it's in one of, it might have to do with being in one of these two. Oh, sometimes it just takes staring at the correct cell. This can't be in because it actually sees all of red that's left. That leaves two left here. That takes out those two. That places this star, places that star. So we're kind of going to go backwards from what we were doing earlier. This top row needs a star here. Okay. There's probably something I can do here. What is it? Okay, so I still need a little boost. So what is it? Got that star, got that star. This is down. Oh, this brown is down to 2. So this can't be in because it touches both. And now we're down to these 3. So this row now has to get a star from here, which then places the star there, there, and there. All right. And there. Nice. And that is the solution I had circled, I believe. All right. Cool. Well, that's it for Starstruck. Let me know how you did.